All right, come on down and make these In-N-Out animal style burgers with me. All right, so I'm using this Dyna Living Griddle. Pretty cool machinery, I'm not gonna lie. This thing is pretty amazing. You're gonna go ahead and season it first with that oil, then hit it with these onions and a little bit of steak seasoning. Look, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these burgers and how this thing helped me do it. So, got our ground beef 80/20. Go ahead and hit it with 2 pounds. Get some Parmesan cheese. This is a secret of mine. Put that Parmesan, put the Coke and the steak seasoning together. It's a great mix to make really delicious burgers, okay? But make sure not to burn the patties. So make sure you keep that heat controlled. Not too high, not too low, guys. And go ahead and let's make that famous burger spread sauce. So hit it with that pickles, mustard, ketchup, and mayo, of course. And then we got our lettuce, tomatoes, jalapenos, and let's put those onions on the side. We're gonna go ahead and press our patties here. We made them into balls, and we're just doing a little bit like a semi smash burger. Not really, because In-N-Out is not a smash burger. All right, guys, let's be real. But yeah, look how black this griddle got and how little of time. Yeah, it really does the justice when you let it do its thing. I assembled this burger. It was super delicious. You can make the same. Hopefully, this demonstration helped you guys.